So since we said 2018 is going to be extra, I mean, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Hey girl, hey boo, hey. Of course 2018 it's gonna be extra AF, so why not bring you guys an extra AF makeup look, you know? So we're doing the blue monochromatic look. We got the blue eyes, we got the blue liner, we got the blue lips, we got the blue background, we got the blue shirt, we got the blue hair. All the materials and all of the products will be listed in the video or in the description box below, so don't worry you guys, all the information will be there, okay? If you're not part of the royal gang, make sure you click the subscribe button. You see that red button? Yeah, that red button, click that. Also click the bell so that you are notified every single time I am on your TV screen, your cell phone, your laptop. And of course, give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. Show me some love, y'all. I don't bite. And don't be afraid to share this video. Of course, you guys, share this video. Don't be stingy. Share the wealth, share the knowledge. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Eyebrows are already done, so we're just gonna jump straight into the eyes. That's the focal point of this look, the eyes. Starting off with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is what I'm going to be using all over my eyelids so that I can make my eyes one solid color and make an even canvas for these eyeshadows. My transition shades are going to come out of the Morphe 3502 palette. The first color we're going to use is Orb, and this is going to be our transition color. We're going to take a little bit of dust from that same palette and add that to our transition as well. Going into the Urban Decay Spectrum palette, I'm going to be using this dark blue, and this dark blue is called Evidence. Taking a little bit of that blue and just applying that to my crease as well. This is going to take time. It's color, so it's going to take time for you guys to blend this out for it to come out smooth. Now to deepen the crease, we're going to go into the Nubian 2 palette by Juvias Plays. And we're going to go into the color Cleopatra. Y'all see that pigmentation? Hello? Hello? Going back into Urban Decay, we're going to go into Prank. And I'm going to apply that into my crease as well. Going back in with the Tarte Shape Tape, this is what I'm going to use to cut my crease. I know creating a cut crease could be really difficult sometimes, but it takes patience, you guys. Patience. And take your time. Don't rush. Our cut crease is set, ready to go. So now we gotta apply our lid color. I'm actually whipping this bad boy out, y'all. The Fenty palette. I forgot what it's called, but this one. Yep, this one. We're going into Midnight Boat, and then we're just gonna apply this all over the lid.
C'est l'essentiel, débatté en l'arc-en-ciel. L'amour doudou, tout ça c'est l'amour doudou.
This is what my glue is going to be sticking on, the e.l.f. glitter primer. And the glitter that I'm going to be using is this glitter I got from eBay. I'll leave the link below if I can find it, y'all. But it's like a blue iridescent glitter. We're going to be doubling our liner today. First, I'm going to use the NYC Liquid Liner in black. And then on top, I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights Liner in Sapphire. We gonna double up. We gonna double up. Eh. We're literally going to be adding this right above the black liner, so we have like a double wing liner.
What's going on? What's going on?
You know, it's a new year, so let's try some new stuff for things that I haven't tried in a very long time. I'm gonna prime my face with the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use the MAC NC50 Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. Don't mind my crusty looking concealer, y'all, but this is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45 that I'm just going to put right on top of the Fawn. Using the Sephora bronzer in dark, we're gonna bronze the face.
C'est l'amour tout, c'est l'essentiel, on débattait en la canción. I'm looking for my rebound shit.
Since the eyes are like mad popping, and yes, this is a monochromatic look, kind of want the cheeks to be a little bit on the soft side, so we're gonna go in with the MAC Sweet Sweet Fantasy blush, and this is a limited edition blush from the Mariah Carey collection. To make that inner tear duct pop, I'm gonna go into the Juvias Place Masquerade mini palette, and we're gonna use this color right here called Zola. To add the base of the highlights, you know I gotta have like a base highlight, and then I add the highlight on top of the highlight. So this is going to be our base highlight. This is the Becca highlighter in Opal. Looks like this.
What's going on? What's going on? boy, tout moun se bang bang, looky look. Paye m'pa yon jouet, suspend ya. Baby girl, let's build our own world. Just you and me, baby, in our own.
Get out about why j'en figi m'changer. Like, you see how that just, I mean, of course we're gonna add more highlighter. Duh. So I'm gonna use the Artist Couture highlighter in Illuminati just to make it a little more extra, just a little bit. Since it's a monochromatic look, obviously we have to have blue lips, right? We're gonna use the NYX Liquid Suede Lip Cream, and this is in the color Jet Set.
Papa